Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are doing well. Today the topic is Quaid-e-Azam's address to the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan 1947. I am reading from the notes. When the partition of India finally occurred, Quaid-e-Azam, soon to be Governor General of the Dominion of Pakistan, outlined his vision of Pakistan in an address of the Constituent Assembly delivered on 11th August 1947. ये एड्रेस उन्होंने इस डेट को दिया था. He spoke of an inclusive and impartial government, religious freedom, rule of law, and equality for all. Quaid-e-Azam's speech to the assembly was in fact an whole ideological vision and fundamental outline in order to make Pakistan a strong and powerful country from every point of view. बेसिकली जो उन्होंने ये एड्रेस दिया था वहाँ पे उन्होंने सारे बताए थे कि पाकिस्तान बनने के बाद जो जो वो इशू फेस करेंगे, जो जो हालात होंगे, वो क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं और किन किन चीज़ों से हमें दूर रहना है और इन चीज़ों को हमें पाकिस्तान से ख़त्म करना है, हमें अगर हम कामयाब होना है. आगे है, ही ओपन ही स्पीच विद द एम्फेसिस दैट असेंबली हैड टू टास्क टू परफॉर्म. ही सेज the Constituent Assembly has got two main functions to perform. The first is the very responsible task of framing the future constitution of Pakistan. As a great visionary leader, he was well aware that no nation can prosper without her own constitution. That's why he laid great emphasis on this issue. वो कहते हैं कि जब तक पाकिस्तान अपने कवानीन नहीं बनाएगा, उसके अपने रूल्स नहीं होंगे, तब तक वो कैसे तरक्की हासिल कर सकेगा. दूसरों के बनाए हुए कवानीन पे हम नहीं रह सकते. इसलिए वो कहते हैं कि बहुत बड़ा इशू है, हमें सबसे पहले अपने रूल्स बनाने हैं. The subsequent history of Pakistan gives clear evidence that the delay in framing of constitution proved detrimental for Pakistan from many point of view. In the second part of his speech, Jinnah highlights some of the curses that Pakistan may face. Firstly, he mentioned bribery and corruption as the worst evil present in society. Mentioning these evils, he says that bribery and corruption is a poison, we must put that down with an iron hand. सबसे पहले जो उन्होंने कहा है कि ब्राइबरी और करप्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए पाकिस्तान में, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं आजकल कैसे इन बातों पे पूरा उतरा जा रहा है. Secondly, he mentioned black marketing as another curse. He declared it as a colossal crime against society. Thirdly, Jinnah talked about the evil of nepotism and jobbery. He made it abundantly clear that he would not tolerate any kind of nepotism, jobbery or favoritism in the state of Pakistan. Further, he stressed upon the rule of law, religious freedom and equality for all. Jinnah believed that now if we want to make this great state of Pakistan happy and prosperous, we should wholly and solely concentrate on the well-being of the people and especially of the masses and poor. Talking about religious freedom, he says, you are free to go to your temples, you are free to go to your mosques or any other place of worship in the state of Pakistan. In conclusion, we may close our discussion with the words that there are many people who leave an irreversible stamp on history, but Quaid-e-Azam was one such rare individual. His address to the Assembly of Pakistan is really a classic and forceful espousal of state, in which every citizen would be free to follow his own religion. The speech expresses his vision about a prosperous, strong, and powerful Pakistan, a place worthy to live with honor, liberty, equality, and prosperity. Quaid-e-Azam ने सारे इशू बताए कि जॉबरी नहीं होनी चाहिए, फेवरेटिज़म के ख़िलाफ़ थे वो, ब्लैक मार्केटिंग और करप्शन, ये सारे उन्होंने कहा था कि वो इन सब चीज़ों को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे बिल्कुल भी पाकिस्तान में. तो आज चुन चुन के एक एक बात पे अमल किया जा रहा है, लेकिन वो सब कुछ उल्टा ही हो रहा है. उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गई होगी. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इट. थैंक यू.